What is going on, everybody? 2024 is going to be the year, Happy New Year, by the way, that we find the big gems in cryptocurrency. And I want to posit today that one of them might be moving a little bit sooner than you might think. And the one that I'm talking about is XRP. Now, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button, the like button, the bell to be notified of future content, and leave a comment down below to help me trend and help this video send. But I want to talk to you today because an interesting article came out, and it really kind of establishes that something has changed with XRP. There's something different that Ripple's doing. When you look at what they do, they usually sell about $50 million a month in order to pay for expenses, whatever it is that they're doing, employees, payroll, et cetera, et cetera. And this month, over 100 million was sold on the open market. Now, what does that mean? Well, generally, that means that extra money is going to marketing. Now, the question becomes, what are they marketing? What is going on behind the scenes with XRP? We're going to break that down just a little bit here, and let's get after it. So, with this article that popped up today, Ripple pumps market selling 104 million XRP is a big buyback brewing. So, renowned XRP community figure Mr. Huber has drawn attention to a substantial uptick in Ripple's XRP sales. The company has sold an impressive 167 million Ripple over the last 25 days with an average price of 62 cents. His eye-catching total is 104 million, double the sales volume seen in the previous 6 months. It's important to note that Ripple has consistent practice of buying back a portion of the XRP it sells, usually in the first week of each month. For instance, in December, Ripple repurchased 131 million XRP after selling 235 million in November. The company's November sale amount of 104 million XRP was approximately 63.9 million. Given that Ripple's December XRP sales more than doubled, he speculates that the company might be preparing for a significant buyback to balance the increased sales. This has led to ongoing community discussion, with many raising questions about Ripple's funding delays and the potential impact of the broader market. So what we're looking for, and what the potential that exists here is, number one, significant buyback of XRP, creating a run on the market by giving them some of their XRP back at a cheap price. They're looking to flip it for profit, obviously, as they sell each month, making and scalping so that they can fund their business. A brilliant strategy, great idea. But here's the thing: what is all that money being used for? And the rumors persist that XRP is about to undergo a massive marketing campaign. Now, what does that entail? If you go back and remember, since 2016, XRP and Ripple have been working on finding ways to create CBDCs, be part of the transfer of wealth from banks to get into perhaps even the US government. And since we have clarity, and we don't have, by the way, there was no protest, this should be noted, when the ruling was held down by Judge Annalisa Torres that selling to consumers was not considered a securities contract, but with businesses, it was considered a securities contract. That now becomes the law of the land, since there was no appeal. Now, that being said, that would indicate that perhaps Ripple can move forward. They're going to pay a penalty for selling unregistered securities with the SEC. Once everything is cleared up, then they're free to do whatever it is that they're going to do. And what I think they're going to do is, we're about to see Ripple show up as one of the hubs for CBDCs going forward. And that's going to increase the value exponentially. Now, am I promising you a gigantic yield return for your XRP investment right now? I don't think the answer to that is. I think that XRP is the current most valuable project in all of the market, perhaps even surpassing Ethereum and Bitcoin. Will it recognize those values? And I don't think that the answer to that is yes. I think that we're going to see Bitcoin have a nice big run. I assume at this point we're going to see $250,000 Bitcoin probably this cycle. Speculative, highly speculative in that. But after that, it gets a little murky, because you would assume that Ethereum would be moving up along with it, but Solana's been making great strides. However, I think the big one is XRP. Once XRP establishes value amongst the banks and amongst the governments by being the fastest way to send and transfer money between themselves, then I think that you've changed the paradigm of what digital asset can do. And once you've done that, and once you've layered these CBDCs along this blockchain, then the rest, as they say, will become history and will force mass adoption of XRP everywhere. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you haven't already, I would suggest that you look at XRP, get yourself a bag of XRP and just hold it. If it doesn't make it through this 2024 run, it might be 2025, 2030. It might take a while before you really realize a gigantic profit off of XRP. But I think in cryptocurrency, XRP is one of the safest bets that you can have in this space right now. It has clarity from the SEC, it has function, it has utility, it has use, it's desired by banks. That creates an enormous amount of value. But again, let me know what you think in the comments down below. And this is not financial advice. My name is Bleeze. I am always right. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll talk to you again very, very soon.